Good day everyone, my name is Velma Maybe Domangas and today I'll be discussing the two important measures of central tendency, which are the median and the mode. These are used to describe the typical value in a dataset, just like the mean, but they are more useful in different situations. Let's start with the median. It is the middle value when all numbers in the dataset are arranged in order. It is useful because it is not affected by extreme values or outliers. Like for example, we have the ages of 20, 25, 30, 35, and 60. First, we have to arrange the values in order, which is already done. Since there are 5 numbers, the middle value is 30. So the median age is 30. What if we have an even number of values? We just have to take the average of the two middle numbers. For example, we have the ages of 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 60. The two middle values are 30 and 60. In order to get the median of an even number of values, we just have to add and divide. We just have to compute the two middle values. 30 plus 35 equals 65, divided by 2 equals 30.5. So the median is 30.5. Let's proceed to the mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring value in a dataset. It is especially useful for categorical data like eye color or favorite subject. For example, in numerical data, if we have the test scores 85, 90, 88, 85, 92, 85, and 88, and 90, the number 85 appears 3 times, so the mode is 85. 85 is the most frequent occurring in a dataset. Example, sa categorical data, if we ask 10 people about their eye color, brown, blue, brown, green, brown, hazel blue, brown, brown, green, the most common color is brown. So the mode is brown since it is the most frequent occurring value in a dataset. A dataset can have one mode which is also called unimodal. For example, 85 appears most frequently. One mode, unimodal ang tawag. So, ikaduha, two modes, which is also called bimodal. Both 85 and 88 appears the most sa numerical data. If no mode, if all values appear only once. Tag-isa ra, dili sila magbalik-balik. Like, gawas ra 85, 90, 88, 92, and 90. Dili magbalik-balik ang number. So, that's all. Thank you.